Food Max. Man, the ultimate shopping experience, man. You know, man, we just sitting out here trying to do it live and shit. You did it bad, little homie. This is called peer pressure. Put that mask on, nigga. Put it on. Put the shit on, little bruh. Put it on, man. Put it on before we hit this corner, man. You put it on. Put that shit on, man. Put it on before we hit a corner, man. Come on. Yeah, go. Put it on. Put it on now, Johnny. Before we hit the end of this aisle so you can scare the other people. Go, hurry up. Put it, Mr. J, put it on him. Oh, you don't let him run. Put it on him.
Put it on him, You're already the monster. Growl at anybody.
Keep it on.
Growl at people.
Just keep it on. Alright, keep it on. Oh, yeah. Keep it on.
Keep it on.
Go, look, there's another baby. Look behind you. Johnson, look behind you, bro. Look at the baby behind you. There's a baby behind you. Look, come on. Yes. Look, no, here's the baby. Yeah.
Let's run to the other way.
Go. Get out there. Look, get this kid right.
This kid, jump out.
Just, hey, stand right there. I'll tell you when he's coming. Just jump out. Mr. J, Go. Eddie and the Wolf Gang. That's Wolfgang and Mango Jeff. Young Billy Mango, right? Beat him out there. Jump out and scare the shit out of him. Get him, bro. Come on. Hey, bro. Hey, cut that shit out. Let's go. That ain't no good. Hey, that nigga said, right. That little girl looked at him like, Jonathan, you should jump back. You should do a fucking backflip off an aisle. How do you feel? Depressed? This is my nigga Wolf Boy nigga, and that's Mango Man. Go, Billy Mango. Go on, Billy. Show him how it's done, Billy. Come on to the front. Go with him, Jonathan. Oh, some ass up there. Just keep going. My nigga Billy Mango in that suit right there. My nigga Billy Mango in that wolf mask.
What are you doing,
Oh. She got the young diaper on. Make them ask like that Superman right there.
I already did it. You did it.
You dare me to campaign? Nah, go.
Their turn.
You dare me to go campaign?
Yeah. on, it's your turn.
Jonathan, you dare me to go campaign? You want me to campaign?
Come on. Do it. It's your turn.
This is that. I get $30 right now. If you tell Mama, if you just
Do it.
if
Come
you
on,
just
do
grab
it.
the
It's
map.
your turn.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's your turn. Are you chicken to do it? Are you
I'm
chicken?
trying to get to Superman to show. Hold on.
Oh, look, I want to see that.
What?
Oh, can you focus on Leah loses her baby?
Huh?
Leah's found.
Are you thirsty? Swallow your spit.
Huh?
Yeah.